Bikers love the freedom and thrill of the open road. But with that freedom comes responsibility, especially when riding in less than ideal conditions. The rider is approaching this section of road at a safe speed, but even the most experienced biker can't always avoid a slip or fall. This is what can happen when you lose traction on a slippery road. It's a scary and potentially life-threatening situation. In this video, we're going to take a look at a scenario that plays out all too often on our roads. 3 bikers are riding together when a truck driver honks at them from behind. The bikers wait neatly at a stop sign. The truck hits one of the bikers, albeit very slightly. In response, the bikers get angry and kick the truck as it drives away. Remember, when you're on the road, you're part of a larger community. It's up to all of us to look out for each other and do our part to make sure everyone gets home safely. As bikers, we all know the importance of riding safely and being aware of our surroundings. However, sometimes accidents happen, and it's important to know what to do in case of an emergency. In this video, we'll be analyzing what happened when a biker slipped and fell while riding at 60 miles per hour. At the start of the video, we see the biker riding peacefully, following all the safety protocols. However, watch till the end of this video to see the biker crash. Accidents can happen to anyone, but it's important to know what to do in case of an emergency. Always wear protective gear, ride safely, and be aware of your surroundings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.